Have you ever heard traders talking about spot gamma and wondered what it actually means? Spot gamma is a concept in options trading that can give you insights into how price movements in the underlying stock might accelerate or slow down. In this video, I'll break it down in simple terms and show why understanding it can give you an edge in your trades. Spot gamma is linked to options Greeks, specifically gamma. Gamma measures how much an option's delta changes when the underlying stock moves by $1. Spot gamma refers to the total gamma exposure of all options around the current stock price. Basically, how options traders' positions can influence price behavior near certain levels. Think of it this way. If a stock is near a strike price with high spot gamma, market makers and option sellers may need to buy or sell shares aggressively to hedge their positions. This can cause sharp moves in the stock price, even if nothing else in the market changes. 1. Predict volatility. High spot gamma zones often see bigger price swings. 2. Spot key levels. These levels often align with strong support or resistance in the market. 3. Plan your trades. Knowing where spot gamma clusters are can help you time entries and exits more effectively. It's a tool that professional traders use to anticipate short-term momentum shifts caused by options hedging activity. Spot gamma is most useful for options traders and short-term stock traders. Combine it with other tools like volume analysis, VWAP, or technical indicators to increase accuracy. Remember, spot gamma doesn't predict direction. It predicts potential price acceleration. So now you know what spot gamma is and why it matters. If you want more advanced insights like this, along with AI-powered daily trading tips, sign up for our free newsletter at ITeachStocks.com. Drop a comment below. Have you ever noticed sudden price moves that made more sense after learning about spot gamma? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more trading strategies explained in plain English.